Dear learners, today we will discuss about operating leverage, the change of net operating income due to change in sales that is referred by operating leverage. Today we will solve a problem which is related to operating leverage. In this question, the selling price, variable cost and fixed cost given, also the selling quantity we got from the question. The requirement told us to prepare a contribution format income statement. So if you want to prepare an income statement, at first we write to sales. At first, here the sales amount is $30,000 per year. So total calculation will be depend on $30,000. At first we need to put sales here. Per unit cost is $60. We put this amount here and total amount $30,000. So total amount will be here. Next we need to subtract the variable cost, which is $42. So variable cost $42, then multiply by 30,000. Then we need to subtract this amount from sales. Then we will get contribution margin. If we now subtract the fixed price, then we will get net operating income. Here fixed cost was 4,50,000. We subtract this amount and got the net operating income 90,000. Now first part is complete. Also here told us to compute the degree of operating leverage. Let's solve this problem. For calculating degree of operating leverage, we need contribution margin and net operating income. So here contribution margin is 5,40,000 divided by 90,000. Then we will got degree of operating leverage. Requirement 2 told us that management is confident that the company can sell 37,000 doors next year, an increase of 7,500 doors or 25 over current sales. So need to find the expected percentage increase in net operating income. At first our selling quantity was 30,000, now 37,500. Here we got that selling amount increase. That's why our net operating income will be increased. The question told us to find out this percentage which is increase. Okay, for calculating this expected percentage increase in net operating income, we should multiply expected sales by degree of operating leverage. Here expected sales is 25%. So 25% multiply by degree of operating leverage, which was 6 times. So we got 150%, that is expected percentage increase in net operating income. Then we asked to calculate the expected total dollar net operating income for next year using the degree of operating leverage. Here we need to do the amount expected percentage increase in net operating income So we will calculate the amount. For this, at first need to write 90,000 net operating income plus increase 150%. Base amount is 90,000. By this we will get 2,25,000, which is expected percentage increase in net operating income next year. Okay friend, today we will close this chapter. That's all. Thank you.